how to add stickers on the video you're editing, how to edit the inserted stickers, and make a few changes to them. This is with the VN Video Editor app. Be sure to have the latest update as of 2024. Let's get started. It's your first time using this VN Editor app and you want to add some stickers to the video you're editing. Something basic. This is a beginner's guide, so if you're new, stick around. Now, when you're ready to add your very first sticker on the video, you'll want to go to the part that says tap to add sticker PIP, this right here, okay? You're tapping on this icon, okay? So go ahead and tap on that and you'll see these two options, and of course you're going to where it says sticker. Once you go into stickers here, you'll be introduced with this right here. You'll see all of these here. And for every category, you can just go to view more and just browse for the one that you want, okay? So you can go with these here that's available, and maybe you would just want to say that you want to say that you got a Snapchat on your video so that people can go ahead and browse through it. Again, of course, if you don't want it, you can just delete it, okay? Just delete that. So let's just say I go back here. And other than all of this here, maybe you want to look for something in particular, but there's plenty of them. You can just browse through all these here and just wait for them to load up, okay? But maybe you want something in particular. So maybe I want to say, a like, okay, like a finger, the thumbs up thing. So I just press like, and you can use the search bar now to search for something in particular, okay? Now they're gonna give you some things that are maybe just not matching, but perhaps you're looking for that thumbs up kind of thing, one of these here. So you just have to browse through and just find the one that's right for you, okay? And unlike other editors, this one doesn't really have much to offer, but you got these right here, okay? So once you're done now, you can back away or just tap on the video itself. If you press cancel, it's gonna close it out and you won't have a sticker, okay? So now you inserted your very first sticker, okay? So the first thing to know is if you inserted the sticker in the wrong area, you can pull it down like this here. You see when it's pulled down like that? Let's bring that closer. You pull it down like this here, that's gonna allow you to move it to another part of your video, okay? Now you can pull on these tabs here to increase the duration as to how long this sticker is gonna show on your video. And other than that here, to the top area here, you can shrink the size of it and then move it to another part, all right? Also, this little icon here will allow you to rotate your sticker. So maybe the sticker appeared in a way that you don't like how it is. And with all that said and done here, using these tools to the bottom here will apply to the sticker. Okay, just make sure it's selected, and then you got all these different tools here. Okay, and mirror would be great. So maybe the thumbs up thing is kind of facing the opposite direction and you want it the other way around. You can flip it the other way around if you want. Notice how that's like that. Or the same thing for the sticker. Maybe it's like in an upside down way and you don't like it. Okay. Let me see if the border would do anything. The border frame works for inserted stickers and videos, and yes, it does work for the sticker. Okay, so even I myself, I didn't know that you could do that. Okay, and then you can have it faded, you can have it blend in, you kind of changes up things. Maybe make it like a watermark if you want to. Okay, that's using the blend, mask, the chroma. Okay, you can remove the red of it. Now you have that single white. Okay. And this is gonna work great for solid colors on the stickers, okay? And of course, if you make any mistakes, undo is your option, okay? And that's basically it for the stickers here. Let me see what else you can do. Your animation, how the sticker will appear on the video, okay? So if you want the sticker to insert or appear on your video in a flashy way, you can browse through these different categories here. Some are free, some are not. But there's plenty free ones to give your video something awesome, okay? So you see how that's gonna appear like that? And then of course, you can press the check mark here, and then now the sticker is gonna appear like an animated way, okay? So if you've been looking for all that here, that's where you would go about doing that for the stickers. So hopefully you learned something new, like and sub, and hey, thanks for watching.